응?
Tom, get over here.
Yeah. Our grandpa got it for us. You don't mind if we hear the duck, right?
Jump inside water.
Come here. Donnie, come.
Whoa.
Come here. Come here.
Donnie.
Come here, Donnie.
Come here, Donnie.
Yeah, I'm gonna get your sweater to dry him off, man. Just to let you know.
His nose got in the water, that's all.
Nah, it's all good, man. Don't worry about it. I'll swim. You guys are gonna swim.
Hayden, you're going first.
Don't drink the water. You're drinking the water.
You see, that's called the love boat after all, huh?
Jump inside. Jump inside. Jump inside. Oh! Oh! No, 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 no.
I touched the turtle. Aiden, you saw that? I was like, you guys never said it. It don't matter. Aiden's doing some workout. And said, that's
Don't want it.
He knows how to swim?
He does now? He does now.
Yeah.
That boat have a life preserver on it?
What? Nah.
I'm scared to be close to Donnie. He's going to jump in again.
He'll dry off. I'll watch him down when I get Donnie.
I'm scared to bring the boat near him again.
I don't know. I didn't see. I was looking somewhere else and then he jumped in there.
What happened? I didn't see you.
Yeah.
He jumped in after the boat, I think.
No, I got the boat this way, and he just jumped in.
Do you want us to like bring the boat somewhere else?
No.
Yeah.
The ducks are probably pissed off at you guys.
I know, not him.
You're stuck at the boat?
Yeah. How
No.
You did it too, I don't
But I used to see those boats a lot. I haven't seen one in a long time.
I'll bring it in. It's just a bad thing I like.
Dead already? Battery out and
Yeah.
don't get all dirty.
We have rechargeable batteries.
Battery, right?
Yeah. Take one. Bring it in. Hey, guys.